Hi, I am Vivek Kumar. Today I am showing operation and connection 2 ampere 24 string battery balancer. So you can see this machine have 2 ampere 24 string battery balancer. You can balance your battery pack up to 2 volt to 0. So now I am telling about the operation and management. So this machine have required single phase. You can see AC 220 volt. This is the single phase connection. We give the input from the board. Now machine back side is the wiring harness. So you can see this is for the 12 string and 12 string, and total make to 24 string. So this is the wire of the 24 string to connect with the battery pack. So you can see this is the BMS connector directly to the battery pack. So this is the connector for any type of connector through the battery pack. So this is our battery pack, 12.4 volt to 80 Ah capacity, and other side of BMS, this is the BMS wire to connecting the pin in BMS. So we put outside. Now connect in this battery balancer. So we can adjust in the. You can see how can I connect the battery balancer to battery pack. So now this is the connect. So this is the connection between battery pack and to balancer. Now I am operating the machine. Switch for on off. So you can see this machine is on. Now when you machine on, the display is showing like this. So we can give the parameter active. You can see the product activity. This is for the Wi-Fi connection. So you can also connect the Wi-Fi with this battery balancer, but it is not compulsory. So we return. We change for the setting. So you can see this is the PA and PB. That means we have already showing you about back side of connection, 12 string in one side, 12 string in the other side. So this is for PA for 12, PB for 12. The internal temperature, you can see 22 right now. This is number of battery module and number of module uses. We did not set because it is automatically detect with the battery pack, and it is the total battery string. It is automatically detect with the battery pack. So this is the cutoff voltage of the battery pack. So our cell is the LFP cell. So cutoff voltage is 3.65. So starting charging voltage. So starting charging voltage we can set as per your recommendation. So we need to change the starting charging voltage to 0.50. We can charge 2.50 volt to 3.65. So now here the battery type you can select lithium iron phosphate, trinity lithium or lithium titanium. So our battery pack is lithium iron phosphate. So mode, power supply mode or equilibrium mode. So we have to balance as a equilibrium mode. So press the equilibrium mode. This is the sequence, negative sequence or positive sequence, like BMS positive or negative. So our BMS is negative. So we set the negative. We can see this is the charging current. So this machine have 2.5 maximum current we can give the battery pack. So we can set as per value. So we can put there the 2.1 set. This is a charging capacity, that means we can also charge the capacity between down to up. So we can press the automatic. You can see the current nothing right now. So voltage you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. First 3.333, second is 3.325, third is 3.335, and fourth is 3.331. So we can now, as you can see, maximum voltage 3.335 and minimum voltage is 3.225. That is the total voltage difference. So this is the total voltage difference, and now this is the operating hours. So now it is the detect the temperature, both of them. So total 24 string, but we connect only 4 string because our battery pack is 4 string. So now press the start. The machine is start. You can see. You can see the difference. Voltage difference is down. You can also check the record. You can check the record. Check the current. This value is stable, just like 0.001 or 0.000 voltage. So also you can record the data, and you can check our software. You can see. So now you can see one thing. You can also acquisition calibration. You can also calibration through the Bluetooth machine of your battery pack. There is the calibration. This is the value. You can check acquisition calibration and return. And again test the voltage. Now you can also import or export your record through the PC. So this is the USB. I can show you. This is the USB 1 and 2. You can also import export the data of the battery pack through the battery balancer. So also you can go in Excel file. So it is easy for operation and balance for the battery pack. Up to 2 voltage, you can voltage difference between 2 voltage to 0. You can balance difference to 2 ampere. So this is all about the battery balancer, 24 string, 2 ampere, 2 voltage difference we can manage. So thank you very much.